Ramai Rongomaitara Te Miha Hayward, pioneer Māori filmmaker. Born in the Wairarapa, Ramai was the first Māori cinematographer and professional photographer.
Ramai was a feisty, independent woman of her own means. She was professionally trained in photography at a studio in Wellington.
I mean, I was a photographer. I had my own studios and photographic studio in Devonport.
Photography was very much a male-dominated industry. She soon developed into a film and documentary maker, along with the pioneer filmmaker Ramai Hayward. She was cast as Ariana in the sound remake of Rewi's Last Stand. In actual fact, they took water from Lake Pukaki to help develop the film.
When a storm blew up and the lake got stirred up, the very fine particles still got onto the negatives. I had to retouch hundreds and hundreds of feet of Rewi's Last Stand before it could be printed.
Ramai married Rudel in 1943. They travelled all over the world producing films, documentaries and educational videos.
So in the 1950s, she and Rudel headed offshore. They were one of the first Western film companies to make it into communist China at the time. They also made a Tiananmen Square, where Ramai presented a kahuhuruhuru, draped it around the shoulders of Chairman Mao Zedong as a gift from Te Puia Herangi on behalf of all New Zealanders.
To Love a Māori in 1972 was the Haywards' last feature film together, and the first New Zealand feature film shot in colour.
To the bitter end, Ramai was a battler for Māori, iwi, women's rights, for their lands, their language and culture. And she was staunchly proud of her Ngāti Kahungunu tanga and her Ngāi Tahu tanga.
We've got the writers, we've got the artists, and we need filmmakers with authority who can interpret our emotions, our feelings, because that's something nobody else can do for us. No Pākehā can do it for us. Ne?